श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो निधत्तां सदाहृदि आनन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानामग्र्योपास्महे आनन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानामग्र्योपास्महे शुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्वाणबद्धदेक्षं दयानिधिं देवतान्तरञ्जो देवं महेग्रीवं दिगन्तमे देवसुधात्वदीया दयाभङ्गान्तिराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरसमीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पार्षद्येषुणां सैलक्षगोष्ठी समागमेषु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्क्याग्रान्मानमभिधेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसजे पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुलरीकेन षण्णः अम्लानश्रीरं दोषधैरं शिवप्लावयन् आविर्भूयादनगमहिमा मनसे वागधीशः. So போன class வந்து students performance பார்த்தோம். I've seen that. Now we are going to Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. Last week it was a very wonderful class. Many students took part in this one very eagerly, and those have been collected and put together in the Word document and shared it in the group also. I have seen that. So what we will do after finishing this lesson, we will start in one by one all the lessons, and we will do the such type of activity. We want more number of students to take part in the activities. It's not that just few students will take up, but all 50 students will take up the classes. Okay. So now in Vibhakti it is the last one. Okay. This is the last one. It's called Adhikarana Karakam. What is Adhikarana Karakam? It's nothing but locative case. Location. Any location you want to say in, on, at, among. That proportion. Okay. Locative case. In, on, at, among. Among also used in Shashti Bhakti. Among also used in Shashti Bhakti, but most probably it is used in Shashti Bhakti. Okay. Okay. Let us go to the some practices. Then we will come to the. Okay. So write singular, dual, and plural are the following words in Saptami Bhakti. Let us try these words first in Saptami Bhakti and understand the meaning. Then we will go to the lesson. Okay. Now, what is the Saptami Bhakti of these words? One by one, let us know. Number one, Patha Shala. Because it is reading. Okay. Patha Shalayam. Okay. Patha Shalayoho. Patha Shalasu. Okay. Number one. Number two, Vatikayam. Okay, again sitting. Vatikayoho. Vatikasu. Number three, Upavani. Now it is Upavanam is Napumsakalinga. Okay. But whereas what we have understood, Tritiya Bhakti to Saptami Bhakti. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 5 Bhaktis are common between Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. There's no difference in that. Okay. So we follow the Pullinga. Okay. Upavane, Upavanayoho, Upavaneshu. Okay. Number 4, Bilam, Bile, Bilayoho, Bileshu. Okay. Number 5, Nirjhara, Nirjhare, Nirjharayoho, Okay. Nirjareshu. Okay. Now, I change the color. Now let me read first and also remember the meaning. What's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning? In. Okay. In. In, on, at, among. Okay, these four proportions to be used here. What is that? Yam. Say Patashala, you know, the ending is yam. Okay? Yo. Su. Same way, yam. Yo. Su. Bhavane. A. Yo. Shu. Not su. Shu. Bile. A. Yo. Shu. Eshu. Actually it is Eshu. Nirjare. A. Yo. Eshu. Nirjareshu. Nirjara becomes Nirjareshu. Okay. Now, let us see the meaning. Okay. Patashalayam. In your Patashala. Yam says in, on, at. Among will not come. Okay. Among will come only for the dual and plural. Okay. Among will not come for Ekavachana, it will come for Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Okay. Vatikayam. Vatikayam. Yam. Again. In, on, at. In the garden. Vatika means garden. In the garden. Okay. At the garden. Patshalayam. At school. In school. At school. On school. Above also we can use. Okay. Above also we can use. Sorry. Upavane. In a garden. Okay. At a garden. Above a garden. On the garden. Sometimes on the garden also. It showers on the garden. Okay. I saw an helicopter on the garden. Above the garden. Okay. So bile. Bila means hole. Cave. Bile. In the garden. Sorry. In the cave. Inside the cave. All same. Inside. Okay. Inside. Above. All this you can take. Above, on, at. Good. Next. Nirjare. In the stream. Yes. Waterfalls. Nirjara waterfalls. Inside the waterfall. Above the waterfall. On the waterfall. At the waterfall. Okay. Among will come for, all proportions will come for Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Whereas only this among will come for Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Patashalayoho, Patashalasu. Patashalayoho among two schools. Patashalasu among many schools. Same way. Vatikayoho, Vatikasu. Okay. Vatikayoho among two gardens. Vatikasu among two gardens. Inside the garden, in the garden, inside the garden, above the garden, on the garden. So we are on two gardens, on many gardens, in many gardens. Okay. So you have to use whenever you want. In on at, you have to use the Saptami Vibhakti. Clear? That's all. So we study it another 4%.
Pathashalayam, Pathashalayoho, Pathashalashu, Vatikayam, Vatikayoho, Vatikayasu, Vatikasu, Upavane, Upavanayoho, Pavaneshu Pavaneshu Le Ilaya Ilayo Nirjari Nirjarayo Nirjare
Continuous.
पाठशालायां पाठशालयोः पाठशालासु वाटिकायां वाटिकयोः वाटिकासु उपवने उपवनयोः उपवनेषु बिलयोः बिलेषु निर्जरयोः निर्जरेषु Again, Danyosvi.
Danyos. Lesson. Vyagraha vane Vyagraha vane Manushyaha vane vasanti. Manushyaha vane vasanti. Simmaha guhayam vasati. Simmaha guhayam vasati. खगाः वृक्षेषु वसन्ति सर्पः बिले वसति उलूकाः कोटरे वसन्ति जनाः नगरे वसन्ति खगाः आकाशे उत्पतन्ति. Okay, so highlighted words are saptami. These words are in saptami. Let us see the meaning. Vyagraha vane vasati. Vyagraha, tiger. Vane vasati, lives in forest. Vane, in forest. Manushyaha vane vasanti. People live in forest. People live in forest. People also live in forest. Okay. Simmaha guhayam vasati. A lion lives in a cave. Cave. Guha. Guha means cave. Guhayam in a cave. Kagaha vane vriksheshu vasanti. Kagaha vriksheshu vasanti. Birds live on trees. Birds live on trees. Next. Sarpaha bile vasati. Serpent, snake. Sorry. A snake lives in a hole. In a hole. Ulukaha kotare vasanti. Ulukaha, owls. Owls live in hollows. In a hollow. In a hollow. Janaha nagare vasanti. People live in the city. People live in the city. Okay. Next. Khagaha akashe utpatanti. Khagaha, birds fly. Utpatanti, patanti means falling. See. Patanti means falling. Okay. Utpatanti, flying or jumping. Okay. Birds fly in the sky. Okay. Vyagraha vane vasati. A tiger lives in the forest. Manushyaha vane vasanti. People live in the forest. Simmaha guhayam vasati. A lion lives in a cave. Striling. Okay. Guhayam. Khagaha vriksheshu vasanti. Birds live on trees. Sarpaha bile vasati. A snake lives in a hole. Ulukaha kotare vasanti. Owls live in a hollow. जनाः नगरे वसन्ति. People live in the city. खगाः आकाशे उत्पतन्ति. Birds live in the sky. Okay. So, 4-5%.
व्याघ्रः वने वसति. A tiger lives in the forest. मनुष्याः वने वसन्ति. People live in the forest. सिंहः गुहायां वसति. A lion lives in a cave. खगाः वृक्षेषु वसन्ति. Birds live on trees. सर्पः बिले वसति. A snake lives in a hole. उलूकाः कोटरे वसन्ति. Owl lives in a hollow. जनाः नगरे वसन्ति. People live in the city. खगाः आकाशे उत्पतन्ति. खगाः आकाशे उत्पतन्ति. Birds fly in the sky. धन्यस्मेरि.
व्याघ्रः वने वसति. A tiger lives in the forest. मनुष्याः वने वसन्ति. People live in the forest. सिंहः गुहायां वसति. A lion lives in a cave. खगाः वृक्षेषु वसन्ति. Birds live on trees. सर्पः बिले वसति. A snake lives in a hole. उलूकाः कोटरे वसन्ति. Owls live in a hollow. जनाः नगरे वसन्ति. People live in the city. खगाः आकाशे उत्पतन्ति. Birds fly in the sky.
मीनाः जले तरन्ति. मीनाः जले तरन्ति. बालकाः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति. नक्षत्रम् आकाशे ज्वलति. छात्राः विद्यालये पठन्ति. कुक्कुरः मार्गे धावति. फलं वृक्षे अस्ति. अहं पुस्तकालये पठामि. त्वं सायंकाले क्रीडसि. Now, let us see the meaning. मीनाः जले तरन्ति. Fishes swim in water, underwater. Next, बालकाः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति. बालकाः children play in the garden. Children play in the garden. Nakshatram आकाशे ज्वलति. The star shines in the sky. The star shines in the sky. Chhatraah vidyalaye pathanti. Let me type here. Let me type. Students study in the school. Students study in the school. Next. Kukkuraha marge davati. Kukkuraha, a dog. A dog davati runs. Marge, on the road. Phalam vrikshe asti. A fruit is on the tree. Fruit is on the tree. Okay. Aham pustakalaye pathami. I read in the library. I read in the library. Tvam sayankale kridasi. You play in the evening. You play in the evening. Now let me read once again so that you can read. Meenaha jale taranti. Fishes swim in the water. Balakaha udyane kridanti. Children play in the garden. Nakshatram akashe jalati. The star shines in the sky. Chhatraha vidyalaye pathanti. Students study in the school. Students study in the school. Kukuraha marge davati. Kukuraha marge davati. A dog runs on the road. Phalam vrikshe asti. The fruit is on the tree. Aham pustakalaye pathami. I read in the library. Tvam sayankale kridasi. You play in the evening. Okay. Yeah. Now students.
Audience.
Meenaha jale taranti. Fishes swim in the water. Balakaha udyane kridanti. Children play in the garden. Nakshatram akashe jvalati. The star shines in the sky. Chhatraha vidyalaye pathanti. Students study in the school. Kukuraha marge davati. A dog runs on the road. Phalam vrikshe asti. A fruit is on the tree. Aham pustakalaye pathami. I read in the library. Tvam sayankale kridasi. You play in the evening. I read in the news.
Meenaha jale taranti. Fishes swim in the water. Balakaha udyanam kridanti. Children play. Udyane kridanti. Children play in the garden. Nakshatram akashe jvalati. The star shines in the sky. Chhatraha vidyalaye pathanti. Students study in the school. Kukuraha marga dhavati. A dog runs on the road. Phalam vrikshe asti. A fruit is on the tree. Aham pustakalaye pathami. I read in the library. Tvam sayankale kridasi. You play in the evening. Then yes, median.
Ready. So far what we have done, we have seen the Sanskrit words, endings. For Vidya Bhakti is 2 words above. Vidya Bhakti by with through. You all should know this by heart. For 2. 5. From then. 6 of apostrophe S apostrophe and Amma. 7th Vibhakti, non at Amma. Why I am teaching this again and again, if it is direct class, I can ask you to read all these things and by heart. I will ask you, random. You tell like this. But you all are online. When it is online, you need to focus more. You have to spare your more time. You have to spare your effort. You have to put your effort, more and more effort. Otherwise, online classes are difficult. As Swami said in the middle, you switch on and you go, it is waste. You switch on you attend, the number is there, yes, 49 plus 150. And you are absent physically, then it's a waste. Useless. We think that all are there. But what happened? Some of you not there. So that I am teaching again and again. It's not that I am learning from me. You have to learn. Any Shabdarupa. The next class we will have a recitation of Shabdarupa. What? Let us finish this lesson, then we will start from there. Shabdarup challenge. Okay. So I will ask you random Shabdarup. Okay? And you have to tell. So what is the meaning of Shabdarup? So Prathama Bhakti is 1, 2, 3, 1%, 2%, 3%. Ditya Bhakti 2 towards about, 3 by with through, 4 for 2, 5 from them, 6 off apostrophe is apostrophe Ama, 7 in honor to. Okay. Now, so these mixed, now the sentences, that we will see now the paragraph. It is of Ramayana. Okay, it is Ramayana in short. All these vibhaktis will be there. Okay, all these vibhaktis will be there. See, a small paragraph which contains all the vibhaktis. Then next page it is Ramayana. A short Ramayana in short. Okay. Now let us read these sentences. In this all 7 vibhaktis are Ganeshaha Ekaha Chhatraha Asti. Let me read. Okay. Saha Pratidinam Vidyalayam Gacchati. Prathama Bhakti, now Ditya Bhakti. Saha is Prathama Bhakti. Okay. Saha is Prathama Bhakti. Vidyalayam is Ditya Bhakti. Saha Rameshena Saha Pratidinam Udyane Kridati. Rameshaha Ganeshaya Phalani Yachati. This is Chaturthi Bhakti. This is Chaturthi Bhakti. Tau Sayankale Grihad Bahihi Udyane Kridataha. Tau Kridataha. Both of them are playing. Udyanam Rameshasya Grihasya Samipe. A short note about Ganesh. Let me give the meaning of this. Ganesha. Ganesh is a student. Ganesh is a student. Saha Prataha Pratidinam Vidyalayam Gacchati. He goes to school. He goes to school every day. Sorry, not every day. Yeah, Prataha Pratidinam. Every day in the morning. Because some people are going in the evening also, some people go at night also. Saha Rameshena Saha Pratidinam Udyane Kridati. He plays with Ramesh every day in the garden. Yeah. In the garden, I put it here. In the garden. Rameshaha Ganeshaya Phalani Anayati. Let me write here. Ramesh brings fruits for Ganesh. Okay. Ramesh brings fruits for Ganesh. Tau Sayankale Grihad Bahihi Udyane Kridataha. Tau, they both play. Kridataha, play in the garden. In the garden, that is outside the house in the evening. In the evening. Last. Grihad Bahihi Kridataha. Finished. Udyanam Rameshasya Grihasya Samipe Asti. The garden is near. Samipam is near. Near Ramesh house. Near Ramesh house. Okay, I'll make it into blue. So you can differentiate between the previous and this. Ganesh is a student. Ganeshaha Ekaha Chhatraha Asti. Ganesh is a student. Saha Prataha Pratidinam Vidyalayam Gacchati. He goes to school every day in the morning. सः रमेशेन सह प्रतिदिनम् उद्याने क्रीडति. He plays with Ramesh every day in the garden. रमेशः गणेशाय फलानि आनयति. Ramesh brings fruit for Ganesh. तौ सायंकाले गृहात् बहिः उद्याने क्रीडतः. तौ, they both, क्रीडतः, play, उद्याने in the garden, गृहात् बहिः, outside the house, सायंकाले in the evening. Okay? Then उद्यानं रमेशस्य गृहस्य समीपे अस्ति. The garden is near Ramesh. Okay. Hope you have understood how to use the vibhaktis. Okay. Pasang padikittu. Anju aaru per nannave padikittu.
Audience.
गणेशः एकः छात्रः अस्ति. गणेश इस् अ स्टूडेंट. सः प्रातः प्रतिदिनं विद्यालयं गच्छति. He goes to school every day in the morning. सः रमेशेन सह प्रतिदिनम् उद्याने क्रीडति. He plays with Ramesh every day in the garden. रमेशः गणेशाय फलानि आनयति. Ramesh brings fruit for Ganesh. तौ सायंकाले गृहात् बहिः उद्याने क्रीडति. They both play in the garden outside the house in the evening. उद्यानं रमेशस्य गृहस्य समीपे अस्ति. The garden is near Ramesh's house. Ganesh Median.
Dhanyawad.
गणेश एकः छात्रः अस्ति. सः प्रातः प्रतिदिनं विद्यालयं गच्छति. सः रमेशेन सह प्रतिदिनम् उद्याने क्रीडति. रमेशः गणेशाय फलानि आनयति. तौ सायंकाले गृहात् बहिः उद्याने क्रीडतः. उद्यानं रमेशस्य गृहस्य समीपे अस्ति. Ganesh is a student. He goes to every day in the morning. He goes to school every day in the morning. He plays with Ramesh every day in the garden. Ramesh brings fruits for Ganesh. They both play in the garden outside the house in the evening. The garden is near Ramesh's house. Dhanyawad Mary.
गणेशः एकः छात्रः अस्ति. गणेश इस् अ स्टूडेंट. सः प्रातः प्रतिदिनं विद्यालयं गच्छति. He goes to school every day in the morning. सः रमेशेन सह प्रतिदिनं उद्याने क्रीडति. He plays with Ramesh every day in the garden. रमेशः गणेशाय फलानि आनयति. Ramesh brings fruits for Ganesh. तौ सायंकाले गृहात् बहिः उद्याने क्रीडति. They both play in the garden outside the house in the evening. उद्यानं रमेशस्य गृहस्य समीपे अस्ति. The garden is near Ramesh's house. धन्यवाद.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वत्र दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु. सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु. सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.